So it wants us to differentiate the following function. So I have f of x equals x plus 4 divided by x minus 9, all to the power of 10. So when we are doing this, the first thing I notice is that I have a composite function. I have a function being raised to another function. So that instantly points to chain rule. So we're going to have to use chain rule in order to differentiate this. So our chain rule states that I apply the power rule to this, pretending that this inside just all stays the same. So this stuff isn't going to change. So the 10 is going to come down in front. Remember, my stuff is going to stay the same, so it's going to stay x plus 4 over x minus 9. And then I need to take 1 away from my exponent. My exponent is now going to be to the power of 9. Now I have to take the derivative of that inside stuff. But when I try to take the derivative of that stuff, I have a quotient rule. So I have an x plus 4 being divided by x minus 9, and I need to take the derivative of that. So I'm going to have to do my quotient rule. So my first part's going to stay the same. So we're going to have 10 x plus 4 x minus 9 to the power of 9. And my quotient rule states I have to go bottom, x minus 9, times it by the derivative of the top. Well, the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of 4 is 0, so this just has a derivative of 1. So you do or don't have to write that. I'm just going to put it in there for clarification. And then because it's quotient rule, we're going to want to subtract. Now I'm going to want to go top, x plus 4 times by the derivative of the bottom. Again, we're going to get the derivative of 1. And we're going to do all of that all over the bottom squared. So x minus 9 squared. Now we're going to simplify some things. So just so we can clearly see, so this is going to be 10. This power of 9 belongs to both of these terms within our fraction. So that means I have an x plus 4 to the power of 9. I also have an x minus 9 to the power of 9. When I simplify in here, my numerator is going to be, well, x minus x just gets rid of x. I have negative 9. I'm taking 4 more away, so that's going to give me negative 13. And all over x minus 9 squared. So now we can see that I can group some things in the bottom. I have same bases being multiplied, so I can add the exponent. And I can simplify by going 10 times negative 13. So we get a final answer. 10 times negative 13 is going to be negative 130 with an x plus 4 to the power of 9 all over. So we're going to keep the base of x minus 9. 9 plus 2 gives me a power of 11. So that's our final derivative using the chain rule and then the quotient rule within that chain rule.